Hello everyone, this is Richard from Taiwan, and today is Friday, and right now it's 10:13 a.m. here in Taiwan, and good morning. 大家好，早安，我是 Richard，我来自台湾。那今天是星期五，今天是礼拜五，今天是周五。现在台湾的时间是早上的10点13分。Okay, today we are going to continue our lessons on toms because I know in my previous lesson you guys must suffer and torture a lot for the toms in Chinese because it is very hard for you. But remember that don't feel stressed. Don't feel stressed because I just want to give you a simple and basic rule about Chinese toms. The most important of all is our next lessons. We will practice it day after day. So don't be afraid. You just follow our lessons day after day and you pronounce the 5 toms day after day and then you get used to it. So that's the way we learn a language. When we learn English, it's all the same. The most difficult time is the beginning. So that's the same in Chinese. So don't be afraid. I know the 5 toms are really difficult for you to pronounce. Don't be afraid. We just learn it, practice it slowly and gradually, then we'll get used to it. So that's the reason why I will continue my tom lesson today because I want you to practice one tom, I mean 1 or 2 words a day, and to practice the 5 toms, then you'll get used to it. If you really practice it so hard every day, and you get used to it very quickly. So let's get started. Today I'll introduce one series of words that is so similar, but with different toms. So that's the way we practice that. Okay, we practice the toms in Chinese. So let's do it right now. Okay, so today's lesson, let's practice Chinese toms and pinyin. We'll do it together because the two concepts are connected. Whenever we use pinyin, of course, we have to practice our toms in Chinese. So let me give you one concept first. Every consonant in Chinese is so solid. The voice is very solid. And every consonant in Chinese is voiced sound. We don't have voiceless sound like p. We don't have that. We don't have something like k. We don't have that like voiceless sound. In Chinese, every consonant in Chinese is a solid and voiced sound. Okay, remember this. Unlike English, we don't have any voiceless consonants. Okay, we don't have something like p or k or h. We don't have something like this. Okay, every consonant in Chinese are solid and voiced. Okay, I'll give you one example, and also this example is the consonant we need to practice today. So consonant, how to pronounce it in English? B, right? B. B. We pronounce B in English, but in Chinese we have to pronounce it more solid, more solid. So it's like we pronounce it like B. We pronounce like B. Again, B. B. In English, B. A little bit slight, right? But in Chinese you have to pronounce it more solid, more solid. Okay. Of course, B is voiced right now, okay? B, voiced. But in Chinese, you have to pronounce it like more hard, more solid, okay? Like B. Okay, let's try it again, okay? In English, B. But in Chinese, B, 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 okay? B. Okay, that's the way we pronounce this letter in pinyin. We don't pronounce it like B. We don't pronounce it like this. In pinyin, we pronounce it like B, more solid, okay? B, 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 not B, okay? B, B. Okay, of course we know how to pronounce the vowel. A, right? A. That's easy. It's just like it's like the same in English. A, A. So okay, I'll show you 5 words, and you see every word here have the same pinyin, right? They have the same pinyin. So what's the difference between the words? Hello, Divam. Very nice to see you. You see, these 5 words, they have the same pinyin, right? Ba, 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 right? Something like that, right? But what's the difference? Think about it. You're right. The tones are different. The tones are different. So can you like recall how we taught in our previous lesson? What's the symbol of the tone? You're right. A line, first tone. How about the symbol here? You're right. It is the second tone. If you watch my lesson in previous time, then you understand it quickly, right? And how about this like a check above the vowel? Right, the third tone. And all the time we write the symbol of the tone above the vowel. Above the vowel, right? Okay, how about this one? Yeah, that's right. This one, above the vowel, this one is the fourth tone. And if you cannot see any symbol above the vowel, then that's light tone. So we talked about it in our previous lesson. So if you cannot understand it, please go back and watch my previous lesson so you understand how to write these tones. And basically, we write these tones above the vowels, above the vowels, so people can understand how to read it, how to pronounce it. So you see, these 5 words have the same pinyin but different tones, and in Chinese that means a totally different word. So we can see 5 different words here because the tones are different, then that refers to different words. So you have to pay attention to the tones whenever you speak Chinese, because if your tones are wrong, and then maybe Chinese people will think that, oh, you're talking about another word, and that's not so good. You have to pronounce the word with the exact tone. Okay, so you see the add word with the same pinyin but with different tones. They mean different words here, totally different words here. But today we don't talk about the character here. Today our focus is on the pinyin and the tone here. Okay, so let's try how to read it. Let's try how to read it. Okay, Kumo, very nice to see you. Okay, how to read it again? Try it. B, no, it's not B, it's B, more solid. Okay, B, 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 A, Ba, A, right? B, A, Ba. That's the first tone. B, A, Ba. Ba is the first tone. Ba means 8. Ba. Okay, actually I should read because in Chinese we have 5 tones. I should read it together and just like a tongue twister. Okay, ba, 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 ba. So hello Omar, very nice to see you. So that's the way we read the 5 tones all together. Okay, we read the 5 tones all together like a tongue twister. So you don't read separately, because if you read it separately, it's very hard for you to remember. For us, we just read it as a tongue twister and read it quickly. Ba, 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 first tone. Ba, ba, second tone. Ba, 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 third tone. Ba. Hello, Omar. Ba, third tone. Ba, ba, ba. Father is like father, right? Ba, fourth tone. Ba, ba. That's fourth tone. ba, ba, light tone. You read it quickly and very short, ba. How to pronounce light tone? In my previous lesson, I have told you about that. You just read the first tone, but you read the first tone quickly and end it quickly and short. So ba is the first tone, ba, right? Quickly and short. Then that is light tone. So if you want to pronounce a light tone, you just read the first tone, but you read it quickly and short. Ba is the first tone, ba. It's the light tone. Ba, ba. Again, ba, ba. Okay, so let's do this slowly and clearly. B, not b, okay? B is in English. In Chinese, we call it b, b, a, ba, b, b, a, ba, ba, b, a, ba. But second tone, b, a, ba, 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 ba. Okay, so this pronounced like ba, ba, and ba, b, a, ba, 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 ba. Third tone, ba, b, a, ba, 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 ba. So we pronounce like b, a, ba, 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 ba. Fourth tone, ba. Ba means father in Chinese. Ba. Okay? B, a, ba, ba. But we read it quickly and short. Ba, ba. Right? Quickly and short. Ba. So whenever we read light tone, we read the first tone, but we read it short and quickly. Okay? Ba, first tone. Ba, light tone. Okay? Ba, ba. Quickly and short. Ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. So that's the way we practice our tones and pinyin. All the time you can find the same pinyin but with different tones, and you can practice it very quickly. And if you practice it every day, you will know lots of Chinese words, and also you will very precisely pronounce every Chinese characters and words. So that's the way we practice Chinese. And of course, I understand it is very difficult for a new Chinese learner, but don't be afraid. We do it every day. I will do it every day with you. So don't be afraid, okay? Okay, viewers, that's today's lesson, and hopefully you can learn something from it. And don't be afraid, just like what I say. Whenever you start to learn a new language, it is very hard. Needless to say, it is very hard. But we have to do it every day, slowly, gently, gradually, okay? And one day we will get used to it, then you'll find out it is not that easy. Yeah, okay? So I'll see you next time. 下次见，再见，拜拜。